In this video we're going to take a look at the Jump Surge 2000 by TOPDON, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and this is Tech and Cars. So Tech and Cars is the new name for the channel that I had before, that was Saab Cars. So in today's video we're going to take a look at the Jump Surge 2000, and actually TOPDON sent this to me, and in the end of the video I will explain to you guys how you can reach out to TOPDON and maybe get a free sample to test. But today we're going to take a look at the box and what's inside, and the features and the tech specs and so on, and of course we're going to try this on the old generation 9.5 outside as well. So let's head into the unboxing of this. So here's the unit on the front with the starter cables, and the name is Jump Surge 2000 because it can peak about 2000 amps. And here on the side there are some more information on how much power you have. You have 16,000 milliamp hour battery, and different vehicles that this applies to. And on the other side you have more information about the DC output, so you can connect something to a DC output on this unit. So there is a connector for a DC plug. You also have a 18-watt charge capability with the USB on the side. You have a LED flashlight with constant light, strobing and SOS. And you charge this of course via USB-C. And here on the other side there's just another picture of it, and it says protection, and you have some different protection modes for over temperature, reverse polarity, reverse charge, over discharge, short circuit and over current protection. So let's see what's inside the box. This should come in a carrying case, I think. Yeah, it does. Rather nice carrying case, I think. It says TOPDON here on the side. Here's the other side. And there's a zipper, of course. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So here you have the cables and the device that you plug into the jump starter. So this has some LEDs on it, and it has a boost button. So the boost button is actually when your battery is really low on juice. You can press the boost button to get some more juice into the battery before jump starting the car. And of course the small manual. It's in English, German and Japan. Yeah, small manual with a basic step on how to jump start your car with this unit. And also a charging cable, so you charge this via USB-C. Maybe you already have a charging cable at home, then you can use that one instead. However, they send you this along with the unit, so that's nice. And the unit itself, of course. So this is what it looks like. It says TOPDON here, Jump Surge JS2000. You have a power button which you can press, then you get some LEDs showing you that you have a 100% fully charged unit ready to use. And on the side you have this DC plug I was talking about that you can insert here. And it says 14 to 16 volts. Here's the flashlight, and it has constant on, strobing, and a SOS message as well. Here on the other side you have the USB-C port for charging. So you can charge this with, I think it's 18 watts, 5 volts, 3 amp, or 15 watts, 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts, 2 amps, so that's 18 watts. And here on the other side you have USB ports, so you can charge your phone or any other USB device up to 18 watts. You have 2 different ports. And then you have the connector for the starter module that you insert like this. So that's basically the unit, and let's take a look on the back side. It says 16,000 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts, Type C input 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amps, USB 1 output 18 watts 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amp, USB 2 output 5 volt and 2 amps. The DC port output is max 16.8 volts at 10 amps. So this is what it looks like on the tech side with the label. Yeah, so that's basically it. It was a very nice case the unit came with, actually. And since this is fully charged, we're going to take this out to the car to see how it worked on the old generation 9.5. So here I am outside with the Saab old generation 9.5 and the Jump Surge JS2000 from TOPDON. So since it's almost raining today and it's kind of windy, I have prepared something here for you. I have disconnected the battery from the car. So we're going to see if the old generation 9.5 can start with only the JS2000 connected. So let's go. So let's connect the JS2000 directly to the car. I have disconnected the negative terminal for the battery. I'm going to hook up the positive terminal to the battery, because that's still in place. And the other end to the negative to the car. So not the battery this time, just the car. And there's actually a indicator light here. It's currently blinking because I believe it thinks that it's kind of strange that there is no power at all in the car. So in order for this to start, I'm going to press the boost button, and I believe that will give the car constant 12 volts. So let's see, guys. So as you saw, there is no trouble at all starting the car directly from this. However, that's not the usual use case. The usual use case is probably a dead battery or a battery really low on juice. However, this is supposed to do 35 startups for you guys. I'm just happy that it started right away with no hiccups whatsoever. Sounded perfect, so I can highly recommend this. And this is the bonus on this video. If you go into the Facebook page of Tech and Cars and you look for the group that is called OBD and Test, you could actually go in there, join the group, read my first post, and there is a slight chance that you can test this for free. So the people that are in connection with TOPDON will be available in the OBD and Test group. So I recommend you do that, because this was actually a great product. It's it's kind of handy with the light here and so on, and yeah, as you can see here, flashlight and the SOS signal and so on. And it comes with a very nice case that you could bring on trips. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to visit the OBD and Test group. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.